I just used both Claude and Seedance 2.5 to make over $10,000 in 24 hours. And look, I'll even refresh the screen for y'all so you guys know I'm not lying. A few weeks ago, I found a store right here, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it since. They're selling one single product, their ads are going crazy, and it's probably generating over $50,000 every single month. So I asked myself a question that honestly felt a little wild when I first said it out loud. Could I rebuild this entire operation? The product, the store, the copy, the ads, and have AI do damn near every piece of it. All it took was 30 minutes and two of the most powerful AI tools in 2026. And I'm about to run it back to show you exactly how I built it, piece by piece, into 3 simple steps that anyone can follow, even if you're a complete beginner. But before I show you more specifically what this business model is, we need to get the most important step out the way. First things first, the setup. Start by hitting the link in the description, and it's gonna take you directly to ecomboss.ai. Now, this is gonna be the platform that actually carries Seedance 2.5. And not only that, but it's one of the most reliable ones out there to use if you wanna avoid all those random crashes and just want the overall most efficient workflow. If you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one, and then go ahead and click on this MCP button right here. And then next, you just wanna go ahead and copy the installation commands right here. Then open Claude, go to settings, and then click add custom connector. For the name, just go ahead and type in ecomboss, and then just paste in that code that you just copied earlier right here. Next, just go ahead and click on add, and then connect. And our setup is now officially done, and we can continue the rest of our workflow through Claude Code. But before I let Claude do his thing, you need to know why I even picked this dropshipping store to copy in the first place. Now, if you just heard the word dropshipping and you're like, what the hell is that? Well, it's a pretty simple concept. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever touching them. Somebody buys from your store, you send that order to a supplier, and then the supplier ships it straight to your customer's door. And you keep the difference between what they paid you and what you paid the supplier. So why did I choose to copy a dropshipping store out of all the other business models out there that I could easily run with a Claude Code setup? Easy. Dropshipping used to be a business model where once you caught on to any sort of traction, scaling really wasn't all too hard, and you could easily jump from making your first few $100s one week to making over $10,000 the next. But getting that type of traction in those first few $100s, it costs you a whole arm and a leg to even reach that point. Meaning the only people who actually seen results either had a bunch of money already coming in to scale or a whole bunch of time on their hands to be grinding it out literally day and night nonstop. But fast forward to now, and that ability to scale at such a high rate still exists, but the higher barrier to entry does not. AI now handles the work that used to eat your whole week and your budget. The research, the copy, the creatives, that's all delegated now, where your job is just making the decisions. And my first decision to make that $10,000 in 24 hours was picking the right store that I was going to model mine off of. Now, if you're wondering how I actually found it, I didn't overcomplicate it. I literally just spent 20 minutes scrolling the Facebook ad library and TikTok looking for products with massive ad spend behind them. But I didn't just look anywhere. I strictly stuck to the 3 niches that pay the most in e-commerce year after year: beauty, health and wellness, and fitness. Why those 3? Because they solve emotional problems and they create repeat customers. We all know nobody's gonna just buy a skincare product just once. Now, out of the 3, I chose to go with beauty, as it has massive demand, strong margins, and most importantly, it's the most visual niche out there, which makes it the absolute best fit for the AI video tools I was about to use. So while I was scrolling the beauty space, I came across this brand scaling one single serum across dozens of different ads with crazy engagement. And when you see that level of spend and consistency, you know that it's printing money. And that became my blueprint. And here was my first prompt. I pretty much just told Claude, analyze that competitor's store. Their copy, their product, their offer, and the full build of their store, everything that makes it print. And look at this. I also took the product link and a few of their competitor ad links from their Facebook ad library, and I just dropped them straight into Claude as well. And right away, it instantly identified the exact customer. Women 35 to 55, and then it even nails the real emotional pain points that they have, like loss of firmness, the fear of looking tired and deflated, and this one right here is huge, the fear of looking fake with Botox or filters. Now, look at how it broke down the top competitor, Solvia. It caught exactly what they're doing wrong. It points out that they led with the ingredients instead of the emotion, completely skipping over the emotional hook. And honestly, I wouldn't have even clocked their aggressive pricing structure and margin gaps at a quick glance, but Claude mapped their whole strategy out and immediately found the hole in the market. And this breakdown, screenshotting pages, reverse engineering the offers, studying the copy to find a winning angle, that is a full day of work. But Claude went crazy and did it in only a couple minutes. And for prompt 2, I just told it to build a store. The whole thing. Pages, copy, images, offer structure, using everything that it just learned. When I fired off that prompt, it started coding the entire store mockup right in front of me. It stacked the sections, it pulled in the deep wine and burgundy color palette that it recommended for a more premium feel. It wrote all the copy and it sequenced the offers. It honestly felt like watching one of those time lapses of a construction site. Seeing a machine build an entire business asset at that speed is still a little wild to me. And don't worry, we did end up filling in these empty gaps with product images I was able to generate on Claude, utilizing that Ecom Boss connector that we set up earlier. Now, if I had to tweak just one thing myself, I would probably just adjust these FAQ dropdowns so it breathes a little bit better on mobile. But structurally, the bundle offers, the ingredient breakdowns, the social proof, it was all perfectly sequenced for conversions right out the gate. One prompt to read the market and one prompt to build a machine. That is a 2-prompt store. And look, I already know exactly what you're thinking, so I got you. Both of these prompts, the analysis prompt and the build prompt, word for word, exactly how I ran them, are 100% free in a prompt pack linked right below this video. You can go get it, run it on your own product, and don't overthink it, just let it do the work. And now that you understand how it did the research and how it built everything up, we can now get to the part that actually made me $10,000 in 24 hours. Because sure, the store finally did exist, but a store without any traffic coming in is not a business that can make money yet. And this is where I have to stop right now and explain something, because the tool I'm about to use is the reason this entire video exists. Seedance 2.5 dropped just days ago, and if you've ever touched AI video before, you know the problem. Every tool caps out at 5, maybe 10 seconds for video creation. That's why every AI ad that you've ever seen feels like a slideshow duct taped together, which is exactly why the product turns into a different product halfway through the clip. But Seedance 2.5 has now completely broke that, as you can generate up to 30-second videos that are all native 4K. And it also now takes up to 50 reference inputs of your product photos, your style, your vibe, which just basically means in simpler terms, the product in frame 1 is going to be the exact same product in frame 30. And if one detail is off, you fix now that region of the clip where you're never having to regenerate the whole entire thing. And that's the whole reason that we're selling a skincare product. As serums don't sell through specs, they sell when someone sees the result. And for the first time, there's a model that can hold a product on camera long enough to actually sell it. So let me go ahead and break down right now, step by step, how I made these UGC ads that did exactly that. And look, I didn't even write these ad scripts myself. I just went right back to Claude and I told it to take all the research it just did and write me a highly detailed 30-second UGC style prompt optimized specifically for Seedance 2.5. Once I received that back, I then took that exact prompt, I fired it off, and look at what it spit out. I mean, look at this result. Look at that macro shot and the absorption that's showing right here. I mean, we have a close-up of the red serum actually dripping on her fingers. She rubs it in, taps her cheeks, and it visibly disappears into her skin without looking glitchy or fake. And I mean, even look at that bottle when she just holds it up at the end in that warm golden hour light. Even look at the label. I mean, it's completely clean, it's legible. I mean, you can perfectly read Medicube, and even you can see the fine line of text and branding on the bottle, where it didn't turn it into some alien barcode like every AI video tool usually does. And even the face consistency is crazy. I mean, she's moving, she's applying the serum, the lighting is completely shifting to a different time of the day for the closing shot, and her face, it's not morphing or drifting once, it's staying completely stable. That's the exact same product, flawless lighting, 30 seconds straight with native feeling UGC motion. I'm telling y'all right now, no other AI tool has ever been able to do this, and this will absolutely stop a scroll. And with a workflow this fast, one winning ad didn't stay one winning ad. I had 10 more variations created in the exact same day before most brands could have even scheduled a photo shoot. Now, at this point, my work was basically done. All that was left was letting the ads loose. So I just took those Seedance videos, threw them into a simple meta ads campaign, and I just let them run broad. No crazy targeting, just letting the algorithm do its thing. And the best part, I didn't even have to guess which ad was the winner. I literally just exported my meta campaign data, fed it right back into Claude, and had it tell me exactly which ads to kill and which ones to scale. And that right there is what made me that 10 grand that I refreshed for y'all at the beginning. Those exact ads, that store in just 24 hours. But I'm always gonna keep it real with y'all, because there's one thing that this video didn't show you. Yes, the AI did build everything, but it didn't decide anything. Like which store is worth copying, which product to move forward with, which angles to run first. That all came from me, and that's the part that actually made this money. But listen, anybody can copy my prompts that I used to achieve this, as they're in the description right now for 100% free, so you can go ahead and go get them. But if you don't know how to make those calls, you will run this exact same playbook on the wrong product and make no money at all, and you won't even know why. That's exactly why I broke all of this down in my how to actually start dropshipping in 2026 video, where I walk you through how to make every one of those decisions from absolute zero before you ever touch a prompt. So if you want the same type of results like you saw from this video, that video is gonna be your next place to start. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.